Can you feel it? Do you feel the sensation? Yeah, the vibes, they go crazy, elevation. You be too high, that is my fault.
What is going on, YouTube? So today I got work late, so I'm about to do a video. First things first, I want to say to you guys, thank you so much. We just hit 25K, you feel me? I don't know, that's been one of my biggest goals on YouTube here for a while. It's 25K, so next is gonna be 50K, 100K, 1 million. We're about to go take the Lexus out. Get it out! So I've been super busy. I think it's getting ready to snow right now. Getting ready to move. Me and Haley are about to get a little place. About to get this house. But we're gonna do this video for you guys. It's gonna be a POV video. Haley actually bought me a new SD card for this. It's like 128 gigs, so we can have a lot more time to record on this. I'm gonna do a POV, but right now the Lexus needs some gosh darn oil because it's not a Lexus, it's actually a Honda. We got that taken care of, so we just got to put a little bit of this oil in here. I'm actually going to be doing an oil change here soon because I don't know if you've seen the last video that I did an oil change. It's been like 10,000 million miles. So like I said, she's a Honda, so we're going to put some oil in here. Or don't spill it. Whoops, I totally forgot the lid for this. There you go. Crazy thing, look at this, guys. This dead bird's been here forever. But yeah, we're gonna, the biggest question is a lot of people have for these IS350s because they're technically sleepers is, are they fast? Now I wouldn't put it in like the category of like a cts-v, but for like an everyday driver car, which is what I use this car for mainly, I would say it's pretty quick. Like it's a lot faster than a lot of cars that are out there. Like I've eaten from a dig, like stock manual Mustang GTs and stuff that people don't know how to drive, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy because it's just a little Lexus with a V6. So we're gonna hop in, get a little POV going. Alrighty, we are on. So unfortunately I was driving this around earlier, so it's not gonna be a cold start, but hey. Another thing, my tires are not the greatest, so I don't think it's gonna do, to be honest, I don't think it's gonna stick up very good. It's supposed to snow too in a little bit here in Maryland. Always seatbelts on, guys, you know what I'm saying, because hey, seatbelts save lives. You might be wondering, why do I have so many freaking lights on this car? So when I switched my wheels out from the stock OEM wheels, these lights, this triangle right here, I don't know if you can see it, little triangle came on, which is like a tire pressure sensor thing, and then my traction control, and then I think another tire pressure thing is on. Check engine light on is because of a sensor. I'm actually getting ready to buy that and fix that because I have to do emissions. I actually like finessed and got like almost a whole year emissions free, so I gotta get that fixed. My lights, I gotta get new lights. That's why the auto something whatever lights are on, so that's why those are on. But other than that, car, like mechanically wise, drives great. I've never had really any issues with it. But like I said, like these cars aren't like slow. Like it keeps up with like Charger RTs, the step up from like a V6 model V8s, all that. So I mean it's not a slouch by any means. Like I took this to the track a while ago, but that's when it was like I did have the exhaust stuff done. Like this car is completely stock besides a muffler delete and a resonator delete, but that's all I had. But I had these giant 19-inch wheels that like were so big I could barely even turn my wheel, and they weighed probably with tires like 60 pounds of tire. So I mean a wheel, it's a drastic change. Like I ran like a 14.1, but I'm gonna go, once I get this light fixed and whatever, this check engine light, I'm gonna get that fixed, and then I'm gonna go back to the track when it reopens in like, I want to say poop boy, I want to say in like April when they reopen. I want to take it back and then actually see what it run like it should run, and I'll do a tune up and all that. But I'm gonna roll the window down so you guys can hear the exhaust a little bit. I like the downshifts in this car, it's really nice. We'll get a little drift since it's a little slippery. That was fun. Here, let's get another one in. I love it when it's slippery. Probably hit one more and then we'll do like some pulls for you guys. I need to put my other tires on because these tires are honestly like not the greatest. Like if I show you them, you'd be like, what the hell? I like it. I like the power. It has 306 horsepower and I have no issues with it because it's like, it's just fast enough. You don't have to worry about, like, the power's there basically. We'll do it. Hopefully it'll spin, but Yeah, just spun. So it's not bad. Like the 0 to 60 is like 4.6 seconds or something. So it's, I don't know, it's a fun little car. Oh, it's spun again. Yeah, these tires are trash. I want to do a video. Comment down below what video I should do to get rid of these tires. Like, I just want to shred them some type of way. Maybe do like a burnout somewhere and just end them. Just keep the spares in the back or something. Do it like in front of Walmart or whatever. But I mean, if you're looking for like a cheaper car, I got this for like 14,000, but that was a year ago, and then it had half the mileage on it. I put almost 60,000 miles on this car since I've had it. So you gonna go? You gonna go? Drift everywhere. I swear, like, I need to start recording the reactions, like when I do like little stuff like that. Like people just, I don't know, their faces, they're like, oh my god, he's gonna crash, but really it's me. So it sucks that like right when I'm getting ready to start doing this video, it starts raining. Like I didn't even want it to rain. Like that's the crazy part, man. Yeah, but this car is, I don't know, it's just, it's fun. I wish I could do like legit pull for you guys, or yeah, I was kind of scared. These tires are trash. Like I said, comment down below. I need your guys, like, you guys have been slacking on the feedback. Like, you haven't been giving me any feedback lately. I know I've been slacking, but like, hey, I mean, you guys are the ones that bring me back and want me to like keep on like pushing and make videos. So if you guys leave some feedback, then it makes me just want to grind even harder. I'm just super busy. I don't know if you guys know, I say it in like every other video, but I'm a plumber, and I'm like, I work a lot because one, I'm getting ready to move and want to have a lot more bills and stuff. So I mean, I need you guys, I need your guys' feedback. Also, 2020 this year, I'm going to be doing a merch drop that's actually going to be official. I'm also getting ready to change my name from the A&A Photography, because I mean, that's nothing really, it's basic, you know what I'm saying? And me being me, like, I'm not trying to just be basic. I want people to remember my name. So I'm about to change my name to something that I feel like is more like me. So that's funny, I just rolled my window down with my knee mid-drift. You guys hear those pops? I think I need to do a trans flush because it's like slipping a little bit. Hopefully we can get all that stuff done, especially with your guys' support. It helps a lot. You guys leaving the likes, you guys commenting. I'm about to finish this video off with a little bit of tunnel action. Dude's face was like, you fucking asshole. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Be sure to, like I said, leave those likes. It really means like a lot to me, just knowing you guys are active on the channel. I'm gonna be back making a whole bunch more videos here soon. Like I said, I'm making a lot more money, so I'll be able to do like a whole bunch of other things. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thought I was gonna spin. Peace.
In the sky, no blue skywalk. Can you feel it? Can you feel the sensation? Yeah, the vibes, they go get the elevation. Elevation. Yeah. If we too high, yeah, it's my in the sky.